Hypersonic air-breathing engines are revolutionizing aviation by enabling travel at speeds over Mach 5. Imagine flying from New York to Tokyo in under 2 hours. These engines use atmospheric oxygen for combustion, making them lighter and more efficient than traditional rocket engines. They promise not just faster flights, but also reduced fuel costs and lower emissions. As we push the boundaries of speed, we're also exploring new materials and designs to withstand extreme temperatures. The future of air travel is not just about getting there faster, it's about transforming how we connect with the world.